Beyond insulin, 10 novel technologies for managing type 1 diabetes. Type 1 diabetes is a chronic condition that affects millions of people worldwide. It is caused by an autoimmune response that destroys the insulin-producing cells in the pancreas, leading to a lifelong dependency on insulin. For many years, insulin injections have been the primary treatment for managing type 1 diabetes. While this treatment is effective, it can be difficult for patients to manage and often leads to wide fluctuations in blood sugar levels. Fortunately, there are several new technologies and treatments being developed that offer hope for more effective management of type 1 diabetes. These advancements are aimed at reducing the burden of daily insulin injections and improving blood sugar control. In this video, we will discuss the 10 recent research studies on managing type 1 diabetes. Smart insulin pens. The study published in the Journal of Diabetes Science and Technology was aimed at exploring the potential benefits of using smart insulin pens for managing type 1 diabetes. Smart insulin pens are designed with digital technology that allows them to track insulin doses and provide reminders to patients when it's time to take their medication. The study involved a group of type 1 diabetes patients who were provided with smart insulin pens to use for their insulin injections. The patients were instructed to use the pens for a period of 12 weeks, after which the researchers evaluated the effectiveness of the pens in improving medication adherence and blood sugar control. The results of the study were promising. The researchers found that the use of smart insulin pens led to a significant improvement in medication adherence among the participants. Patients who used the smart pens had a 20% higher adherence rate than those who used traditional insulin pens. Additionally, the study found that the use of smart insulin pens was associated with a significant improvement in blood sugar control. Patients who used the smart pens had lower average blood sugar levels than those who used traditional insulin pens. Overall, the study suggests that smart insulin pens can be an effective tool for managing type 1 diabetes. By tracking insulin doses and providing reminders to patients, these pens can help improve medication adherence and lead to better blood sugar control. This is an exciting advancement in the field of diabetes management, as it offers patients a new way to manage their condition and potentially improve their overall health outcomes. Automated glucose control algorithms. A study published in the Journal of Diabetes Science and Technology aimed to evaluate the effectiveness of an automated glucose control algorithm in managing blood sugar levels in children with type 1 diabetes. The study involved 53 children between the ages of 6 and 18 years who had type 1 diabetes. The children were divided into two groups. One group received standard diabetes care, while the other group received care that included the use of an automated glucose control algorithm. The algorithm was designed to monitor the children's blood sugar levels and adjust insulin doses as needed to maintain optimal control. The results of the study were very promising. The group of children who received care that included the automated glucose control algorithm had significantly fewer episodes of hypoglycemia than the group receiving standard care. Hypoglycemia, or low blood sugar, can be a serious complication of diabetes management, and reducing its occurrence is a major goal of treatment. Additionally, the study found that the algorithm led to a significant improvement in overall blood sugar control among the children who received it. The use of an automated glucose control algorithm represents a significant advancement in diabetes management, particularly for children with type 1 diabetes. By continuously monitoring blood sugar levels and adjusting insulin doses as needed, the algorithm can help prevent dangerous fluctuations in blood sugar and reduce the risk of complications. These findings highlight the potential for technology to improve diabetes management and provide hope for a brighter future for those living with type 1 diabetes. Artificial pancreas. The development of an artificial pancreas system that combines a continuous glucose monitor and an insulin pump represents a major advancement in diabetes management. A study published in Diabetes Care evaluated the effectiveness of an artificial pancreas system in improving blood sugar control and reducing the risk of hypoglycemia. The study involved 124 adults with type 1 diabetes who were randomly assigned to use either the artificial pancreas system or a standard insulin pump for 6 months. The results of the study were very promising. Participants who used the artificial pancreas system had significantly lower average blood sugar levels and spent more time within their target blood sugar range than those who used the standard insulin pump. Additionally, the artificial pancreas system led to a significant reduction in the occurrence of hypoglycemia, or low blood sugar, which can be a serious complication of diabetes management. The use of an artificial pancreas system offers several benefits for individuals with type 1 diabetes. By combining a continuous glucose monitor and an insulin pump, the system can provide continuous real-time monitoring of blood sugar levels and deliver insulin doses as needed to maintain optimal control. This can help reduce the risk of complications associated with diabetes management and improve overall quality of life for individuals living with the condition. Closed-loop insulin delivery. The use of a closed-loop insulin delivery system represents a significant advancement in diabetes management, as it can provide real-time monitoring of blood sugar levels and adjust insulin doses as needed to maintain optimal control. A study published in Diabetes Technology and Therapeutics explored the use of a closed-loop insulin delivery system in individuals with type 1 diabetes. The study involved 44 adults who used the system for 3 months. The system consisted of a continuous glucose monitor that provided real-time glucose readings and an insulin pump that automatically adjusted insulin doses based on those readings. The results of the study were very promising. The use of the closed-loop insulin delivery system led to a significant improvement in blood sugar control, with participants spending more time within their target blood sugar range than they did with their previous insulin regimen. Additionally, the system significantly reduced the occurrence of hypoglycemia, or low blood sugar, which can be a serious complication of diabetes management. The use of a closed-loop insulin delivery system offers several benefits for individuals with type 1 diabetes. By continuously monitoring blood sugar levels and adjusting insulin doses as needed, the system can help prevent dangerous fluctuations in blood sugar and reduce the risk of complications. This can lead to improved quality of life and better overall health outcomes for individuals living with the condition. Glucose-sensitive insulin. Traditional insulin therapies require individuals with diabetes to closely monitor their blood sugar levels and manually adjust their insulin doses to maintain healthy blood sugar levels. However, researchers have been working to develop innovative solutions that can provide more precise and effective management of blood sugar levels in individuals with diabetes. A study published in the Journal of the American Chemical Society described the development of a glucose-sensitive insulin that responds to changes in blood sugar levels. The insulin was designed to be inactive when glucose levels are within a normal range but to become active when glucose levels rise above a certain threshold. This glucose-sensitive insulin is made up of a molecule that binds to glucose and a molecule that activates insulin release. The study found that this glucose-sensitive insulin improved blood sugar control and reduced the risk of hypoglycemia in animal models. The insulin was also shown to be effective in responding to changes in blood sugar levels, as it was able to release insulin only when glucose levels were elevated, thus avoiding the risk of overcorrection. One potential benefit of glucose-sensitive insulin is that it may reduce the need for frequent monitoring and adjustment of insulin doses by individuals with diabetes. Additionally, it may provide more precise management of blood sugar levels, which could lead to better health outcomes and quality of life for individuals living with diabetes. While further research is needed to fully understand the potential benefits and limitations of glucose-sensitive insulin in human subjects, the development of this innovative therapy represents an exciting advancement in the field of diabetes management. The potential for more precise and effective management of blood sugar levels through the use of glucose-sensitive insulin offers hope for a brighter future for individuals living with diabetes. Beta cell replacement therapy. One of the key features of type 1 diabetes is the loss of beta cells, which are responsible for producing insulin in the pancreas. This loss of beta cells can result in an inability to produce sufficient insulin, leading to high blood sugar levels and other health complications. Researchers have been exploring various approaches to replace or regenerate beta cells as a means of improving blood sugar control and reducing the need for insulin injections. A study published in Diabetes Care examined the use of stem cell-derived beta cells as a potential therapy for type 1 diabetes. The study involved transplanting stem cell-derived beta cells into individuals with type 1 diabetes who had limited beta cell function. The researchers found that the transplanted beta cells successfully produced insulin, resulting in improved blood sugar control and a reduction in the need for insulin injections. One potential benefit of this therapy is that it could offer a long-term solution to managing type 1 diabetes. Unlike insulin injections, which require frequent monitoring and adjustment, stem cell-derived beta cells may provide a more stable and consistent source of insulin production. Additionally, this therapy may reduce the risk of complications associated with long-term insulin use, such as insulin resistance and cardiovascular disease. While further research is needed to fully understand the potential benefits and limitations of stem cell-derived beta cells in human subjects, the development of this innovative therapy represents a significant advancement in the field of diabetes management. The potential for replacement or regeneration of beta cells through the use of stem cell-derived beta cells offers hope for a more effective and sustainable approach to managing type 1 diabetes. Closed-loop insulin delivery with control-to-range algorithm. One of the challenges in managing type 1 diabetes is maintaining blood sugar levels within a target range. Conventional insulin therapy requires frequent monitoring and adjustment to maintain blood sugar levels, which can be difficult and time-consuming. Researchers have been exploring the use of closed-loop insulin delivery systems that use advanced algorithms to automate insulin dosing based on real-time glucose monitoring. A study published in Diabetes Care investigated the use of a closed-loop insulin delivery system with a control-to-range algorithm. This system aims to keep blood sugar levels within a target range by adjusting insulin dosing based on real-time glucose monitoring. The study involved 32 individuals with type 1 diabetes who used the system for 6 weeks. The researchers found that the system significantly improved blood sugar control and reduced the risk of hypoglycemia. One potential advantage of this closed-loop insulin delivery system with a control-to-range algorithm is that it may provide a more personalized approach to diabetes management. The algorithm can be tailored to an individual's specific needs and adjusted over time as needed. Additionally, this system may reduce the burden of diabetes management by automating insulin dosing and minimizing the need for frequent monitoring and adjustment. While further research is needed to fully evaluate the long-term benefits and limitations of closed-loop insulin delivery systems with control-to-range algorithms, the results of this study suggest that these systems may offer a promising new approach to managing type 1 diabetes. By providing more precise and personalized insulin dosing, these systems have the potential to improve blood sugar control, reduce the risk of hypoglycemia, and enhance the quality of life for individuals with type 1 diabetes. Telemedicine. Telemedicine is a rapidly growing area in healthcare, and researchers have been investigating its potential applications in managing type 1 diabetes. A study published in Diabetes Technology and Therapeutics examined the effectiveness of telemedicine in managing type 1 diabetes. The study involved 30 individuals with type 1 diabetes who received telemedicine support for 3 months. The researchers found that telemedicine significantly improved medication adherence, blood sugar control, and reduced healthcare costs. Telemedicine can provide individuals with type 1 diabetes with access to diabetes specialists and support services from the comfort of their homes. This can be especially important for individuals who live in remote or rural areas and may have difficulty accessing diabetes care. Telemedicine can also provide real-time support for insulin dosing and adjustment, which can help individuals to achieve better blood sugar control and reduce the risk of complications. One potential benefit of telemedicine is its ability to provide personalized support to individuals with type 1 diabetes. Telemedicine platforms can be tailored to meet an individual's specific needs, providing support for medication management, glucose monitoring, and lifestyle modifications. Additionally, telemedicine can improve communication between individuals with type 1 diabetes and their healthcare providers, which can help to identify and address potential issues more quickly. The results of this study suggest that telemedicine may offer a promising new approach to managing type 1 diabetes. By providing real-time support and personalized care, telemedicine can improve medication adherence, blood sugar control, and reduce healthcare costs. Further research is needed to fully evaluate the long-term benefits and limitations of telemedicine in managing type 1 diabetes. However, the results of this study suggest that telemedicine has the potential to improve the quality of life for individuals with type 1 diabetes and enhance their ability to manage this chronic condition. Advanced Hybrid Closed-Loop System. Type 1 diabetes is a chronic condition that requires daily monitoring of blood sugar levels and administration of insulin. However, maintaining blood sugar levels within the target range can be challenging for individuals with type 1 diabetes, as fluctuations in blood sugar levels can occur due to a variety of factors, including diet, exercise, and stress. In recent years, researchers have been exploring the potential of advanced hybrid closed-loop systems to improve blood sugar control and reduce the risk of hypoglycemia. A study published in Diabetes Care evaluated the effectiveness of an advanced hybrid closed-loop system, which combines a continuous glucose monitor, insulin pump, and control-to-range algorithm. The study involved 38 individuals with type 1 diabetes who used the system for 12 weeks. The researchers found that this system significantly improved blood sugar control and reduced the risk of hypoglycemia. The control-to-range algorithm used in this system aims to keep blood sugar levels within a target range, which can be customized based on an individual's specific needs. The system automatically adjusts insulin delivery based on real-time glucose readings, which can help to prevent high or low blood sugar levels. Additionally, the continuous glucose monitor provides real-time glucose readings, which can help individuals to make informed decisions about their insulin dosing and overall diabetes management. The results of this study suggest that advanced hybrid closed-loop systems have the potential to significantly improve blood sugar control and reduce the risk of hypoglycemia in individuals with type 1 diabetes. These systems provide real-time support for insulin dosing and glucose monitoring, which can help individuals to achieve better blood sugar control and reduce the risk of complications. However, further research is needed to fully evaluate the long-term effectiveness and safety of these systems. Overall, the development of advanced hybrid closed-loop systems represents an exciting new approach to managing type 1 diabetes. By providing real-time support and personalized care, these systems have the potential to improve the quality of life for individuals with type 1 diabetes and enhance their ability to manage this chronic condition. Eversense Implantable Continuous Glucose Monitoring System. Type 1 diabetes is a chronic condition that requires constant monitoring and management to prevent complications. However, traditional treatment methods such as insulin injections have limitations in effectively managing the condition. Therefore, researchers are continuously exploring new technologies and treatments to provide better options for type 1 diabetes management. One such technology is the Eversense Implantable Continuous Glucose Monitoring System, which was studied in a research published in Diabetes Technology and Therapeutics. The study evaluated the accuracy and reliability of this system in providing glucose readings and improving blood sugar control. The study found that Eversense provided accurate and reliable glucose readings, and it significantly improved blood sugar control. This implantable device can detect glucose levels continuously and can provide alerts for high or low glucose levels, allowing individuals with type 1 diabetes to take action promptly. The study results demonstrate the potential of Eversense to improve diabetes management and provide better outcomes for individuals with type 1 diabetes. Unlike traditional continuous glucose monitoring systems that require frequent sensor replacement, Eversense has a longer lifespan, reducing the need for frequent replacements and minimizing the cost of diabetes management. Additionally, Eversense can be used with a mobile application that provides real-time glucose readings, alerts, and trends, allowing individuals with type 1 diabetes to make informed decisions about their health. Conclusion: smart insulin pens offer a simple yet effective solution for patients struggling to adhere to their medication regimen. By tracking doses and providing reminders, patients can more easily manage their diabetes and improve their blood sugar control. Additionally, automated glucose control algorithms and closed-loop insulin delivery systems have shown great promise in reducing hypoglycemia and improving overall blood sugar control, providing patients with more consistent and reliable management. The development of glucose-sensitive insulin and stem cell-derived beta cells offer exciting possibilities for long-term solutions to type 1 diabetes. With the ability to respond to changes in blood sugar levels and replace damaged or destroyed beta cells in the pancreas, these therapies could potentially offer a cure for this chronic condition. Telemedicine has also emerged as a viable option for type 1 diabetes management, particularly for patients in remote areas or with limited access to healthcare. By utilizing technology to remotely monitor and manage patients, healthcare providers can improve medication adherence and blood sugar control while reducing healthcare costs. Finally, The development of advanced hybrid closed-loop systems and implantable continuous glucose monitoring systems provide patients with even more options for personalized and effective diabetes management. With these new technologies, patients can better understand and manage their blood sugar levels in real time, leading to improved overall health outcomes. In summary, the studies presented in this video demonstrate the exciting possibilities for managing type 1 diabetes beyond insulin. Continued research and development in these areas have the potential to greatly improve the lives of millions of people living with this chronic condition.